Up for sale, 1969 Camaro. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 69 Camaro, finished in Hugger Orange with black interior. Nut and bolt restoration to the highest standards, and is without a doubt the nicest car that I've owned. Everything on the car is new. And I'm going to just, keep it simple, just tell you the meat and the potatoes and let the car speak for itself. And, I of course, will bring a trailer of taking pictures of everything, but as always, I love doing this for cars that I sell otherwise. You can see everything here is new. The fitment is super nice. I mean, there's not a blemish on the car. I mean, I've never had something like this. The way the hood lines up, look at that. As well as over here. The body is like glass. Oh my gosh. It's 4-speed, 12 bolt. I'll tell you about that just in a second. The special engine that it's got. It's got the wheels that you want on there with the bias ply, the polyglass. This is the look. No wheel well moldings. No trim around here. The way they did this was very stock. Not even a console for the 4-speed. It's the way they wanted to do it. But let me go ahead and pop the hood here and just tell you, or just show you what I'm most excited about. Hold on. Oh my gosh. JJ code on the pad, 396, 375 horsepower, aluminum headed engine. So it's an L89. Winner's cast heads, winner's cast intake, Holley carb. With the correct air cleaner setup on there. Oh my gosh. It was very low production engines for this year anyway, so just to find this engine alone, extremely difficult. And just, I'm gonna step back. Let me refocus the camera, I don't know what happened. The attention to detail in here is unbelievable. I mean, every bolt, every little piece, this is an actual Delco battery. It's not just a cap on top. The detail, the stickers, everything, the finish, the markings on the steering box. They didn't put headers on it. It's got stock exhaust manifolds on there. And it's no power steering. It's just power front disc brakes as well. The firewall is gorgeous. It's got the marking over on that firewall. The hood hinges are brand new. Just look at that. Even this is new. It's got the right this. Oh my gosh. The correct hose clamps on there. Marking on the alternator. I mean, just solid lifters. You hear it when it runs. On paper, 375 horsepower, supposedly actually rated 425 horse, and you could finally tell now that I have a 375 horsepower engine. You can really tell the difference between that and a 350. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh. But anyway, I'm going to keep quiet now. It's an M20 4-speed, and I will just let the car speak for itself from now. And I might interject here and there, but just maintain peace and quiet. It also has Trico wiper arms, or wiper blades, which are correct. Like I said, all the interior is new. The moldings, everything. And you could tell this was not a rusty car when they did the restoration. Attention to detail. Stuff like that. New weather stripping, everything. Nothing's painted over. I'm going to refocus my camera. There we go. We're back. I mean, look at that lower quarter there. I was actually at Volo Auto Museum at one point. That's where the gentleman that I received it from, who was a friend of mine, bought it. And I know actually there's a YouTube video from Volo available as well, if you wanted to find it. Look at the weather stripping. Look at the finish. The paint just alone on the trunk lid is like quality of the outside of the car. Matching spare. You see the jack back there, tire iron, finished with the matte. I'll lift the mat up and I'll show you what we got going on here. I hate these stupid hard mats like that. Did you see that there? Nice batter paint. And I believe the quarters are original. They feel original. You can feel that roughness on top, like that it's been there for a long time. Okay, let's go to this side. Well, same deal here. And then for what you can see, because the spare is there, you see that. Nice that is again. Not painted over. New. Anyway, we'll be coming soon to bring a trailer. A 69 Camaro. Finished in Hugger Orange with black interior. 396, 375 horsepower L89 engine with factory aluminum heads, winner's cast intake, winner's cast heads, nut and bolt restoration. I mean, just look at this shot here, how everything just looks brand new. Hugger Orange with black interior, 12 bolt, Muncie 4-speed. And I know I haven't talked about the underneath, just as nice as the top of the car. So, thank you for watching, and we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. All right. like, why am I looking for girlfriends? I should be looking for more cars like this. Car doesn't break your heart.
It can, but
Yeah, well, yeah, but not one like
not
this.
like, yeah.
We're gonna go to the right. Yeah, we got enough gas. Go.
Oh, yeah, I put a premium in it.
Excellencio. Wow. And it's like I can't yeah. It's like
a different car.
any other car. It was that 69 Chevelle we have, that orange one.
Yeah.
You know, it's like Dad and I said, that car was the nicest car we've ever owned. And for some reason, there's something about this. Maybe it's just that much straighter. Maybe the finish is that much nicer. Maybe just like how crisp every little detail is on this one that brings it to that next level.
Yeah.
And I'm like, you think at a certain point they're all the same nice. I don't know.
This was built with love. Love and
A lot of money.
yes. Absolute perfect American muscle car,
Yeah.
man.
We're gonna turn right at the light. And I did. I watched that video that Volo had on it a couple times. Just, see what somebody does, how they do differently. But he makes an interesting point. No console, no really extra trim. It's a very bare bones.
Yeah.
I love it. I think that's really unique.
It's got a close ratio transmission.
Yeah, why don't you? Oh, wow.
I didn't want to go too fast.
I was going to tell you to turn there, but we passed that up. We'll turn at the next one.
Yeah, it's definitely got all the get up and go you could ever want.
You could really feel the, somebody's calling me. Leave me alone, people. Why don't you make a UE somewhere around here? Yeah, just, take your time. Oh, what a turn radius. I'm impressed on that alone.
Yeah, it was all the car, not the driver.
It's the muscles. Oh, you're right. It's a non-power steering car.
No,
So
it's easy. It's easy to steer.
I know.
As long as you're rolling.
So I would say this is the first legitimate 375 horsepower engine that I've had.
Okay.
I've had them where people have said it's built to it. I've had cars that would have come with a 375 horse but don't. So actually having one, I see the power.
Yeah.
I did a lot of research on it, 375, but it was really rated at 425.
Yes.
I can feel that now.
Yeah. And it revs so smooth and solid, and no matter what gear you're in, it's pulling.
Yeah. This is a special automobile. I'd race you on my Challenger, but I know I'd lose.
Yeah. You need like a Callaway vet or something to beat this.
You and the Callaway vet. Yeah, the Callaway.
Well, just so people have something to compare it to.
I thought that was Dad over there with the orange shirt for a second. I was looking at him. He just walked into 7-Eleven.
The new ZR1, is that better?
Just give me a Bugatti and blow it out of the water. No,
Nobody wants a Bugatti.
I always liked them. Nice and easy.
You can see everybody's head turn when you drive by.
I know. It's like that one commercial where everybody snaps their necks looking at a car going down the road. That's what this
It
is.
was a Camaro commercial.
Was that a Camaro commercial?
Yeah, a black Camaro.
Okay.
Yes. I think in like 02. The other commercial they had running with it were the two kids laying in bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I vaguely remember that.
They're listening to cars go by. He's like, you know.
Yeah.
Then the one kid, he even guessed the color. Man, this is the saddest part coming up.
I know, the part where we stopped driving it.
Yes.
But I'm all done with this, so we can just put it next to the Delta. And I've got everything that I need. I work out with that guy. I see him at the gym, yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
I was just talking to him the other day. He's like, is that you over on Bernard with the old cars? I'm like, yeah, it's me.